Good morning children, welcome back to another class with Miss Arena. We will again do ED words today. Yesterday remember I taught you ED words. I told you how will you say ed. Today we are going to do some classwork and homework, some exercises and with some more words. In your book you only have two words, okay, read and fed. Now I will give you some more work and exercise. So let's see what we have. Okay, see, this is your crayon, the color red. This is bed. This is fed. You can see one man over here feeding a dog. So this is fed. This is wed. This is a ted. All of you like teddy bears, you have toys, no? So they are ted. Now we will match them with the words here. What are the words here, children? Read with me. F-E-D, fed. F-E-D, fed. W-E-D, wed. W-E-D, wed. T-E-D, ted. R-E-D, red. B-E-D, bed. Now we are going to match these words with these drawings. So you should know where to use the words with what picture. So see, this is red. Where is red over here? Yes, here. So you will match like this. Bed. Where is bed? Here. Good. So you will match like this. What is this? Fed. A man is feeding the dog. So where will we find fed? It is here. This is wed. This is how you will match. This is ted. Understood, children? So this exercise is for classwork. Okay. You do the drawings and you do the writing like this. See how I have written, how I have used the 4 lines, and you will match them. Okay. Now for some homework. I have drawn the lines and I am going to write. You are going to pay attention and see how each letter is written. Okay. Let's take fed. F. This, the middle line E, then from up and then like this is D, that is fed. Led, L, E, D, led, from the top to the third line. Middle 2 line, top to the third line. Led. W, E, D. Wed. W, E, D. Wed. T, E, D. Ted. From top to the third line, you cut a line here, then middle line E and then top here and go around, that is D. Ted. Then bed. B. See how you should not lift your pencil or your hand, children. You come down straight. B and then you lift it like this. B. E. D you have to write the same way like B, but it is the opposite direction. Straight line and then you have half circle. D. Bed. Alright. R. E. D. Red. R-E-D, red. N E D, ned. Now see children, I have written N in capital because it is a name of a person. N E D, ned. Clear? So once again, F E D, fed. L E D, led. W E D, wed. T E D, ted. B E D, bed. R E D, red. N E D, ned. Now let's make small sentences. You have to use these words in some sentences. Okay? Now first one you can write Ned, Sam. Now you can see over here the man is feeding a dog. Let's say the dog is named Sammy and the short form of Sammy is Sam. So Ned fed Sam. After you finish, full stop. Okay? Then T H I S, this. I S, is. M Y, my. This is my bed. Okay? This is my bed. Clear? I like, L-I-K-E. I like, R-E-D, red. I like red. C-O-L-O-U-R. I like red color. Okay? So this is your homework, children. Once more I am repeating. This is your classwork. Match the drawing with the words. This is your homework. 7 words I have given you and 3 sentences. And what exercise do you have? Complete homework given. Learn ED words. Okay children, this is your homework. Complete what is given and learn the ED words. Okay, so bye bye for today. Meet you next class. Bye.